Very good. Open that shoulder, let that, that's it, beautiful. On your back. All right, shoulder down, yep, chin up. Just like that. Drop your shoulder. That's it. Good.
Oh, yes.
Good. One more time, breathe in and out. Good. Let's do it again. Breathe in and out. Good. Good.
Oh, that's so amazing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Too hard?
No.
Okay.
I just trying to be my confident. Oh, yes. That's all the stress that I've been having.
So it's just the stress from getting prepared?
Yeah, because also I become an ambassador and Casa Spinal's foundation, which is the foundation who help um, women that has been abused or domestic violence,
Mm-hmm.
you know.
Mm-hmm.
So it's a lot of events, a lot of agenda. I have a lot of agenda with them too. So, and the work, the contests, the classes, the family,
It's
my
a job.
daughter.
Another job.
Yeah, that's another job.
Yeah. I understand. Okay, I'm gonna adjust your scapula. Good. Okay, good. Now turn your head, look to the left.
Left,
Yes,
left,
just like that.
like
Good.
this.
Yes, okay, and then back to the middle. Mm-hmm. That's good. Just try to relax the shoulders. Shrug both shoulders now. Relax. Good. Ooh. Counter rotation. Shrug both shoulders again. Shrug.
How?
Lift your shoulders to your ears.
Like this.
Yeah, and then relax. Yes, just like that. That's it. Okay, press your face straight down. Press and release. Good. Good. And press your face straight down and release. Good. Okay. Very good. Okay, let's get to your low back. Lie on your right side, sweetie. Face me this way. Yes. And let me lift this up.
This is one of my favorite parts.
The low back.
Yes.
Come towards me with your hips. Yeah, good. Then just, yep, perfect. We're gonna hook that. Yes, good. And we're gonna try to open this up. Yes, let's do that again. One more. And out. Very good. Go the other way. That's beautiful.
It is.
Very good. And again. Good. Open that shoulder. Let that. That's it. Beautiful. On your back.
Yeah.
Perfect. Here. Lift your bum up. Let me fix this. Lift up. Lift your bum up. Yep. There we go. There. Now you're not falling down.
Okay.
Looks beautiful. Good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes.
Okay. Just rest your head. That's just like that. This is my favorite part.
One of my favorite parts, but takes time for me to relax.
Even when I get my neck adjusted, I have to
Mm.
let them help me relax. Good. Nice big breath in. Good. And you're going to drop your ear to your shoulder and shoulder down. Yep. Chin up. Just like that. Beautiful.
Yeah.
So easy. Left ear. Drop your shoulder. That's it. We did it.
Oh yes.
Your aunt is happy. She likes that.
Yeah.
Good, good, good. Okay, I'm going to make you taller.
Oh yes.
Drop your foot, and then open that hip. Yep, open. Really good. You feel that? That opened up all the way.
I feel that.
Do you have any low back pain anymore? Or is it all pretty much better?
No, it's pretty much better.
That's awesome.
I mean, a little, but not like
Yeah.
before.
Yeah, that's amazing. I love it. Open, yep. That's it.
Let's see it.
How's your feet? Any issues with your feet? Are you wearing high heels?
Yes. Every day, basically.
We're going to check these.
Yeah, every day. But my balance, I've been noticed that my balance being like better.
Yeah.
A lot of
Yes. Yeah. Your balance is better.
my balance is very good.
Okay, so let's do your toes first.
Okay.
This BBT. Yeah. Good. There we go. Yeah. Very good. Okie dokie. Let's see. Now we're gonna just check your supplements
Okay.
because it's been almost 4 weeks. So I just always like to check that. And okay. Okay. You good? I'm gonna put that on your tummy. No, I'm not. I'm gonna put that next to you somewhere. How about right there? Yeah. Hold your arm strong here. I'm gonna pull towards me. Good. Now do your thumb and pinky together. Hold that strong. Good. Relax that and do your right hand, thumb and pinky together and hold that strong. Good. And release. Very good. Hold here. Very good. Hold this arm strong. Yes. 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 Good. so still thyroid and descending colon. Oh, and adrenals. So last time you had, actually adrenals are better today. So it's just thyroid and large intestine. Last time you had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that I was looking at. So that's better.
Yeah, I've been doing good.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, I still have a little pill of the thyroids because I forgot some stuff to take it some days.
It's okay.
But I've been taking it.
Okay. As best as you can, right? It's
Yes.
your medicine, so.
And I can take the protein in the night.
Yes. Yeah. Sometimes that helps us sleep because you have a little better blood sugar balance. All right, so hold this arm strong. Good, so let's figure out what do I need to work on. Hold that here. I'm gonna do thyroid. Still thyroid. Yep, thyroid is your priority. You've probably had a little bit of thyroid stuff going on for a while. Yeah? So let's see. This is what you're currently taking. That's pretty good. And then, are you sleeping okay at night?
Oh, yes.
Okay, so you sleep and then you don't wake up, right?
In the middle of the night, if I gotta go pee, I wake up.
Then you wake up, but you can. Okay. So one of the things that feeds the thyroid is iodine. Selenium is another nutrient. That's not your issue. What else would I do? So you go to the bathroom every day, right?
I go, but when I don't take the pill, if I don't take the pill, I don't.
Okay, so you've got to take it.
Basically.
Okay, so you're under a little bit of stress. So I'm actually going to also support the adrenal glands that sit on top of the kidneys with the thyroid. So it goes in your brain.
I've been having like a little pain in my here.
In your kidney?
A little pain. Today basically and yesterday.
Okay.
But I don't know if I don't take a lot of. I've been drinking a lot of water. Something.
Is that tender there?
No, over there I have the.
You tickle?
No, I have. Okay. This little thing that I have here is no, that's the tirzepatide that I.
Oh, that's where you inject.
Yes.
Okay.
That's
Okay.
why I have the kind.
Do you change sides for your
Yes.
injection? Okay. Okay.
That's why I have those kind of things.
Okay. So the reason the amino acids are really important, that reminded me with the tirzepatide, is sometimes if your appetite's too low, you're not going to eat enough protein, then you're going to lose muscle mass.
Yes.
We don't want to lose muscle. We got to hold on to whatever muscle you got. So that's why amino acids and protein are really, really important when you're taking that. And then we also are supporting the thyroid to make sure everything's working as it should, right? Because it helps with the appetite. Then it can help with inflammation and insulin sensitivity.
Yes.
But I think with your stress, that's why the adrenaline, which is adrenal gland support, and that might be why you're having some tenderness over there on the kidney. Just watch that. Are you going to the bathroom any more frequent, peeing any more often?
I got a lot of water, but sometimes I've been having so stressed during the day or something, and I forgot to drink water.
Okay, so we gotta, all right, so the other thing, instead of adding another supplement, we're gonna support the adrenal glands, but like, you need to make sure you have some salt with your water. It's electrolytes, because sometimes the GLP-1s can throw off electrolyte balance, and that's how you get hydrated, is with electrolytes and salt. Yeah.
So in the morning or something?
Yes, when I wake up, I literally lick my hand and I put salt. It's called M-Salt by Crucial 4. And I lick that, and then I have my water. So I essentially am having salt water first thing in the morning.
Okay.
That supports my adrenal glands and helps with my electrolyte balance
Okay.
after the night of no sleeping. So,
Perfect.
so that's what I think we'll do for today. So nothing changed. Just let me check the amounts. Still the same. Yeah, good. So still 3 of those, and we're gonna take, I think we're add the 2 adrenal gland, adrenaline it's called, which is the whole food. Maybe more, hang on. It's all broke apart. So just 2. I'm gonna stick with just 2 for right now. And that will help with the stress, okay? And support your body. Okay, and then we definitely want to go to the bathroom every day. So when you take these, okay, you take 2 of these a day?
2 of these. Like,
Do you forget these whenever?
No, well, 1 in the morning and 1 at night.
Correct.
Has to be, right?
Yeah.
Sometimes I'll do only 1. Or I do both at the same time.
Okay, that's okay. I was going to say, let's switch and do 2 in the morning, and then you remember do 1 at night.
Okay.
Just think.
2 in the morning and 1 at night.
Yes.
Perfect.
Yeah, then we can do.
That's going to be
Yeah.
better, I think.
Good. Okay, so I think I'm going to write this up. Everything's the same. We're going to support the thyroid. We're supporting your large intestine to help you have a bowel movement. And then we're getting the amino acids in there. And we're the perfect aminos. And then we're going to take some adrenaline for the adrenal glands.
Okay.
Yeah?
And the protein that I already have.
Correct.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. All right. All right. Let's stand up. Let me see you. See how that feels.
Amazing.
Everything feel good?
Yes.
Good. Hold the arm strong here. Right foot forward. Yep. And switch. Left foot forward. Good. Okay. I think you're good to go. How's your hands? Do you have any hands issues?
No. Not really. Or maybe.
Or maybe.
I was like, no.
Right there, yep.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. There we go. Okay.
Oh, wow.
Head to toe.
Amazing.
La Reina.
Amazing. Now I can be more tall.
Yes, you are tall.
I'm gonna need more heels.
Good. Yes. Okay. So we're gonna do a little Q&A on her Instagram.
Yes.
So we'll put her stuff in the description. So if you want to watch that, she'll have it up.
Exactly.
We're gonna say bye to her people and to Auntie. Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye.